Welcome to Did You Know, where we explore the most astonishing facts about our world and beyond. Get ready to uncover the hidden wonders of the universe and Earth. Did you know that astronauts in open space cannot see stars as we do from Earth? Without Earth's atmosphere, the stars are not visible in the blackness of space, challenging our perceptions of the cosmic view. Moving closer to home, did you know there is a color that human eyes cannot see? Ultraviolet light is visible to many insects and birds, but remains invisible to us, revealing a spectrum of light beyond our visual capacity. Here's a surprising fact about everyday fruits. Did you know that bananas are actually berries, and strawberries are not? This odd botanical classification sheds light on the intriguing complexity of plant biology. Did you know that Europe and North America are moving apart each year? The tectonic plates are slowly drifting, which could lead to significant geographical changes over millions of years, reshaping our world map. From the mysteries of deep space to the curious details of the fruits we eat, our world is full of incredible facts waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining us on Did You Know? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights into our amazing universe.